Set to go, race number 4, 2018 SC Stock Farming 2-year-old stakes race. Good luck on your pick 5 choices for the second set. Stand by for a dispatch at 1,300 meters. Race number 4, the race is on. Toy for the big boy, Serafina in between runners, moving up, Royal Bell down on the inside to grab the lead, and back to original is in behind them. Racing towards the 900, the Royal Bell leading the field by 3/4 of a length, running on the outside, Serafina. Toy for the big boy is racing in third, and back to original is in behind them with a gap of 8 to 9 lengths from the leader as they round towards the 600. Royal Bell, Serafina about to throw the challenge on the outside as they race towards the 450. Now we have Serafina moving up on the outside, Royal Bell in second, then racing in third, Toy for the big boy as they race for home. The course of the wind has been altered as the favorite Serafina moving up on the outside, Royal Bell once again grabbing the lead, then down on the inside, Toy for the big boy, Royal Bell, Toy for the big boy, and finally, Royal Bell wins the race over Toy for the big boy, Serafina, and back to original.